What's up, guys? It's Silver Seeker, and today we have another silver unboxing. Stick with us, guys, because there's not a whole lot of different varieties of coins in here, but what is in here you are going to absolutely love. So we're going to get this thing open really quick, guys. As we're tearing this box open, I just want to let you know that if you're new to the channel, don't forget to go down below and subscribe so you don't miss out on all the future videos. And together, we're going to make stacking cool. All right, so here we go, guys. We're going to get this thing opened, and inside, of course, we have our typical APMEX packaging. I'm sure the invoice is in here somewhere. We're gonna go ahead and get out a knife, and we're just gonna kind of cut into the top of the packaging. And one thing I'm gonna do that you won't see on camera, or I will edit out if I need to, is I'm gonna slide the invoice. I see it all the way back there. Now, guys, I picked this silver up. Let's go ahead and just pour some of this out. I picked this silver up. Spot was sitting at $28.50 an ounce. Of course, I paid a premium on it. We had to get that invoice out of there. Of course, I paid a premium on it. So, but either way, there's some really, really cool stuff in here. I'm excited to take a look at them. There's only 3 different designs. Now, one of these designs we have seen on the channel before. We're going to go ahead and get that out and take a look at it first, just to get it out of the way, guys. If you've never seen these are so awesome. These are silver beneath the southern sky. This is a 2020 1-ounce Australian silver coin, and these things are absolutely gorgeous. I love the design and the patterns in the background. You cannot get mad about beautiful silver like that. Now, these, I only picked up 5 of them because I've already had some before, but I did pick up more of what we have in this tube and this roll right here. So let's go ahead. I do not want to obviously scratch the plastic, so I'm just going to try and get a little nick on it so there's a tear that I can peel at. And then we're just going to peel this back so we can get just one off of the top shelf of this roll. So take a look at this, guys. We have the Sioux Chief. This is the $1.99 fine silver 1-ounce 2020. Flip it over. We have the Sovereign Nation America. Take a look at that. That is really, really cool. Really like the design of this one. Of course, it says $1, but it's not actually a U.S. coin, even though it says Sioux American. It's a Sovereign Nation of America. Very interesting piece right here. The fact that they actually put a face value on it. Of course, not a U.S. dollar. But either way, these are really, really cool. And if we take a look at the tag, you see APMEX labels them as the Sioux. And I might be pronouncing that wrong, but I think it's the Sioux Indian Warren Chief BU. So this is the Indian Warren Chief, as it says, the Sioux Chief. We just had another one drop off of there. Let's go ahead and just get the capsule off of the top one, guys, so you can see how gorgeous the finish of these are in the back. Now, I don't want to touch this. Of course, I have gloves on, so we don't have to worry about getting fingerprints on it, but without the capsule to the camera, take a look at that. There's a little bit of spotting in the finish, but it's an absolutely gorgeous 1-ounce silver coin. Glad I was able to pick some of these up. Man, those are pretty, aren't they? So get that back in this capsule. I don't want to drop that thing or scratch it. All right, so we'll get those out of the way. We only have one more in this very quick unboxing. Let's go ahead and get into it, guys. This is going to be a little bit shorter of a video, but that is okay. Very, very excited to finally get some of these. I wish I would have bought them when silver was a little bit cheaper. Hindsight's always 2020. All right, let's go, guys. 25 count APMEX. As you can see, actually, this does not have the Comsco label that's normally on the side of a tube of Korean silver coins, but that's okay. Don't know why that is, but we're just going to take one of these out gently out of the tube, like so. All right, let's get it up close to the camera. Take a look at this, guys. This is the 2020 South Korea 1-ounce Silver Chiwoo Cheonwang. What a gorgeous design. Now, comparing this to last year's design, the 2019 design, oh man, this is just so much nicer. I don't get me wrong, I liked the 2019 design. I'm not saying it was bad. It was definitely good. But this one is just so much better. And as always, guys, if you look down here, I love that. You see how you tilt it. You see AG. You tilt it this way, you see 999. You got 2020 fine silver 999, Republic of Korea 1 clay. Now, this is not actually a coin because clay is not their currency. This is just considered a metal. So it's not a round or a coin, just considered a metal. I mean, technically, in my opinion, it would be closer to round than coin, whereas this one right here, the Australian one, that's an actual coin with a face value from a sovereign nation with a date. These are considered metals, but I absolutely love this series. And the 2020 Chiwoo Cheonwangs are gorgeous. So that is it, guys, for this unboxing. Definitely glad to get some of the silver in. Silver being as high as it is right now, obviously I can't buy as much silver at once, but that doesn't mean I'm not going to keep doing amazing unboxings on this channel. So again, guys, if you like videos like this, if you want to see more silver unboxings, if you want to see me talk about silver markets and the analysis of whenever there's changes and things like that, major stuff. I don't release a new video about it every day, but you get the point. Just do me a favor, like I said, make sure you subscribe before you go. All right, guys, we will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I do hope that you enjoyed the video. If you guys are new here, before you go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any future notifications and videos when I upload them. I also want to give a huge shout out to all of my awesome channel members on the right hand of the screen right now. Thank you guys for making videos like this possible. We will see you next time.